Hello, my name is Dr. Narciso from the Department of Ophthalmology. Today, I'm here to talk about an important issue that can affect your eyes, ethambutol toxicity. This condition can affect anyone undergoing treatment for tuberculosis. Ethambutol toxicity primarily affects the eyes, leading to visual impairment that can be severe if not detected and managed early. Our mission is to educate and empower you with the knowledge about this condition, ensuring the health and safety of your vision during your treatment. Ethambutol works by stopping the growth of bacteria. However, its effects can include changes in your vision, such as difficulty distinguishing colors, especially red and green, blurred or decreased vision, and loss of central vision. These symptoms can arise due to the effect on the optic nerve, the part of the eye responsible for transmitting visual information from the eye to the brain. Prevention and detection are key. Here are some tips. Number 1, baseline eye examination. Before you start treatment with ethambutol, your internist or family physician should refer you to an ophthalmologist who will check your vision and perform a thorough examination. Also, schedule frequent checkups with your eye care provider while you're on ethambutol, especially when you're on long-term treatment. Number 2, monitor your vision. Be aware of any changes in your vision, such as difficulties with color discrimination or any decrease in sharpness of vision. Report these to your doctor immediately. Number 3, dosage awareness. Be mindful of the prescribed dosage. Ethambutol toxicity is dose-related, and your healthcare provider may adjust your dosage based on your treatment response and any side effects experienced. Our team at the Eye Center is equipped with advanced diagnostic tools to detect early signs of ethambutol toxicity. Through comprehensive eye exams and personalized care plans, we strive to protect your vision, ensuring the treatment for one does not lead to another. Remember, ethambutol toxicity is manageable with the right approach and early intervention. If you are undergoing treatment with ethambutol and have noticed any changes in your vision, or if you have any concerns about starting treatment, we are here to help. For more information or to schedule an eye examination, please contact the Asian Hospital Info Hub. Thank you for watching. At the Eye Center, we believe in safeguarding your vision as you embark on the road to recovery from tuberculosis. Together, we can navigate the challenges of ethambutol toxicity, ensuring your treatment is safe and effective.